Hi Virgo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 5th of May to the 12th of May. I'm going to look at your energies to understand what's coming to you in this time period of the week which I'm talking about. So what's around you, and this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, the collective of Virgo. So what is around you, what is affecting you is Two of Wands. You need to expand your energies. That is what angels are saying. Get out of a familiar zone to explore internally or externally your world. With the Queen of Wands, a wand energy, once again it is talking about grabbing opportunities in life, or there could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius around you, or could be a Libra around you with the Justice card. This is saying that you should be determined to be fair and determined to get into a contract regarding your marriage, regarding a business deal, regarding a partnership in this time period. This is around you. So what's coming to you? Progressive thoughts, progressive news, and progress of some kind with the Eight of Wands. So Eight of Wands is all about progress. It is all about progress in personal or professional life. It is about Cupid's arrows flowing towards you regarding love. With the Queen of Pentacles approach, you are practical. You are not in the air. You have your feet grounded. You are looking at nurturing or caring for personal or professional goals. And with the Ten of Cups, in this time period, some dreams are going to come true for you. Some big benefit for you and your family could be coming in. Your dreams could be your American dream, your dreams that you have seen for a long time, of relocation, of going back home, or getting the best in your life for yourself and your family could be coming in. So you are approaching the target of your best situation with great personal stable approach. You are using your personal advantage of being this Queen of Pentacles. You are in the feminine energy of earth, which is of a queen who is looking towards their targets, their goals, with lot of care and nurturing energy. And with the Magician, which is also about your own sign, Virgo. Magician and the Empress card is telling me that some of you are going towards love, some of you are going towards new launches, some of you are going towards appreciating beauty or doing things connected to beauty, human beings, humanity, and big things in life. And with the Magician energy, you are getting support from the universe. Your talent is at its best. You could be given support of the planet of Mercury, which is going to be in your ninth house. So ninth house, Mercury, in your ninth house on May 10th, Mercury will enter. That is your house of Taurus. And also on May 18th, right now, Jupiter is in Taurus, Sun is in Taurus. So basically, everything is conspiring to make things happen for you. You will be in Nine of Pentacles energy, and that is going to give you great feelings of success, feelings of being self-reliant, and also feeling your the beauty around you, feeling that work that you have done so far and feeling proud about that. So basically, you could be a self-made person, you could be someone who is not depending on anyone, but some of you could be also getting a association with a partner in this time period. Some of you could be getting married, or a marriage situation. In a marriage situation, you could be a very good spouse who is earning and contributing in the family. So the Nine of Pentacles could be with a couple, or could be someone singular who is, building great assets in their life. So some of you are doing that. The underlying energy is of the moon and the justice. So moon is in your going to be full moon in your third house, that is the house of Scorpio. So on May 12th, so moon will be affecting you. Moon is right now maybe in your sign, and then it will move to Libra and then Scorpio. So basically you could be under the effect of moon, and that is causing some kind of shadow energy around you, but it is going to get better illumination as the days go by. And with that, judgment is happening. So judgment is intervention by the universe, or intervention by someone around you, or intervention by yourself to pick yourself up from any morbidity. That is what angels are predicting. So moon could be a cause of morbidity, bad mood, fear, or anxiety, but with the judgment, favorable situations are coming in, whether it is your personal life or professional life. Ace of Cups, clarifying this, tells us that Ace of Cups means that pure energies of upliftment, love, self-love, and self-care energy will come inside of you this week. And you could be affected in this time period by Nine of Swords, which is thinking negative. Do not think negative. Do not feel constrained. Do not feel these energies. These could be self-sabotage energies, and these are causing you problem. Everything is looking good at this time. You will feel better, look better, do better, and achieve things in your life. So your outcome is King of Swords. That should be your energy. You should draw upon the energies of Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. If you have that in your chart, air in your chart, you should draw upon that and move towards things with clarity, honesty, and clear speak. And that is going to give you the feeling of temperance, which is about being moderate in situations. So you are a very you could be overly critical about situations, but Virgo, if you use some energy of air at this time to clear the clouds or clear the shadows, you will be in much better energy, and you will be so angels are predicting that patience will work for you, and that is your outcome. Good things are coming to you. Your dreams will be achieved. So look towards exploring new situations with clarity and consolidation, and you will reach healing. That is what angels are saying. So what is your career situation? Yeah, so career situation is telling me that team spirit and collaboration will help you, and you have gone through a bad situation in your career. There has been a karmic ending for some of you or most of you, which has made you pushed you towards the brink of apathy. Some of you are not enjoying your work, but team spirit will bring some fervor back in you with the sun energy in your sun energy coming in your ninth house, in the house of Taurus as you move forward. So from Taurus, it will get into your 10th house, that is by the 20th May. Sun will enter Gemini, that is your 10th house. So things will become better for you, and if you are stuck in any circumstances, you will move towards peace. So if you are stuck in saturation of your career, or you are stuck in some mistakes that you have done or some losses, you will be moving away from that and moving towards a better, safer situation in your career very soon. So from so 9,000, 10,000 will benefit you in this time period, and that is going to give you great success in the coming days or weeks. So in terms of love, it is asking you to believe in your marriage, or a wedding situation or a marriage situation could be affecting you. You could be worried about a main male at this time, or a main, you could be the main male looking at an energy of a privileged lady. Marriage is of course on the mind for some of you. It can happen, it could be coming towards you. So release your ex at this time. If someone is carrying their ex's energies forward, marriage situation will get affected. So you could be locked in the memories of an ex, or someone could be impacting you. So time now to clear your energies. That is what love angels are telling you. You could be feeling new attraction for someone in this time period in terms of your love. So let's read out the star codes astro oracle for you. The ninth house card has come for you. So it is about exploration, it is about moving towards unknown places, unknown people, higher education, expanding your world, expanding your work, and being a philosopher, and being a independent person who likes to travel or grab opportunities and likes communicating. So go exploring, step out of your comfort zone to see what lies beyond the boundaries of your familiar bubble. Step into a new country, try on a fresh attitude, and immerse yourself in an unusual body of knowledge or a spiritual philosophy you did not grow up with. So it is hard to see your bubble, the lens for your experience, until you step outside it. Look back at your socio-economic milieu, family and friends and education, and confront any unconscious assumptions that your people, your class, your culture is all there is. You are being charged to develop a truly diverse perspective and understand that real diversity in a personal ecosystem or company builds resistance. So push your unique boundaries. So challenges: when you finally break through and can see the far horizons, it can be difficult to reconcile the allure of those infinite possibilities with the familiarity of the people close to you. But gift of this situation is widen your horizon and expand your world, explore in your mind, body and soul, teach what you know the world is waiting for you. So releasing an ex is a reality. That's what I am seeing. Releasing past situations are also important for your reform or your healing, and feeling good about yourself is what comes first. Sun will shine on you in terms of your job, career, money, finance, name and fame. Collaborate with new energies, that is what it is saying. Start a new foundation and do not get apathetic towards your situation, because you are going to move on from what you were stuck in. And in terms of your personal situation, things will progress fast, and a 10 of cups situation can come. Your dreams can come true in this time period. So some of you could be signing a contract, some of you could be grabbing a formal opportunity in your personal or professional life. So if you have liked your reading, please like, share and subscribe. Take some time out to introspect and see, or listen to this reading to understand what's coming for you in the coming week and the next week, because it has more information than just 1 week. And keep watching this channel, Tarot Priestess 1313. I'll be posting more readings for you all through the month. And keep yourself good. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.